Is your Windows 11 taskbar mysteriously blank or empty? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next few seconds, I'll walk you through 6 effective methods to fix this issue and restore your taskbar. Stay tuned for a quick solution to the Windows 11 taskbar blank empty problem. Press the Ctrl+Alt+Del keys to open Task Manager, then select File followed by Run New Task. Type CMD and press Enter or click OK. Paste the following command and press Enter to run it. The PC should reboot after this command, and after restarting, the Windows 11 taskbar grayed out issue will be solved. Press Ctrl+Alt+Del to access Task Manager. Click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Once it's done, check whether the Windows 11 taskbar not working issue persists. Press Windows, enter CMD in the search bar, then click Run as Administrator. Type the following command, then press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. SFC/Scano. Once the SFC scan is over, type the following command and press Enter. Reboot your computer once the DISM scan has ended. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After the scan is finished, check if the problem is still there. Press the Windows key +I to start the Settings app, click Windows Update from the left pane, and select Update History from the right. Scroll down and click Uninstall Updates. Next, select the update that caused this problem, which will probably be the last one. Then click Uninstall. Finally, click OK to confirm your choice. Press the Windows key, then type Control and click the top result. Choose Clock and Region. Click the Set the Time and Date button. Click the Change Date and Time Settings button. Select a date in the future, then click OK. Switch to the Internet Time tab and click on the Change Settings button. Turn off the Synchronize with an Internet Time Server option, then click OK. Press Windows key +X and select Windows Terminal, Admin. Now run the following command. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.